may think creating a video is going to be an expense that you won't get back, but actually the return on that investment is off the scale, because we're saving money, not having to send engineers out, but we're also generating an income from people looking at the video and coming to our website. My name's Linda Meakin from the Halcyon group of companies, and we've worked together with Carl and Nicola with Little Cloud Productions now a number of times. Each time has been a further education for us, and I think we've got better and better at what we do, so that the production Carl and Nicola give us is excellent every time. Before Carl and Nicola talked to us about putting things onto a video to show our clients what we do and how to do it, we were basically using LinkedIn and Facebook and photographs, but nothing came close to the quality and the message that we were able to put over by an actual video. Previously, when the Halcyon Eco machines were being delivered, one of our guys would go and physically train in the staff, and we still do that. But if you've got new staff that are arriving, and there's a constant turnover of staff these days in every industry, we're all so familiar with that. The idea is now that if somebody new comes on board, they can train in 15 minutes by just logging onto our portal and going through the training video that we've been able to achieve with Carl and Nicola. So it not only saves us a huge amount of time and expense, it saves the client time and expense as well. The troubleshooting element of the video has meant that rather than an engineer having to go out on site and showing people often very minor mistakes that they're making, and which prevents them being able to use the machine, they can just check it out on the video, and it's an instant response. They don't have to wait. It's an extraordinary, convenient way of completing a training system and being certified without necessarily our staff being on site. I'd certainly recommend to everybody that's thinking of getting a brand story, or even a story about their actual product like we've done, to contact Carl and Nicola. They won't regret it.